Hi children, in this video we shall see one of the basic topic in grammar, articles. In English, the words a, an and the are known as articles. The words a, an and the are known as articles in English. First let's see a and an. Both are similar. Both have same meaning and they have some common features. A and an, they means one. A and an means one and it is used before singular nouns. We know that noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Singular means one. So the articles a and an are used before singular nouns because they simply mean one. For example, a glass. Glass is a singular noun. It is one, so we use a. A glasses. It is wrong because glasses is a plural noun, so we won't use a with a plural noun. A is used with singular nouns only. Likewise, an apple. It means one apple. And apples. It is wrong because apples is a plural noun. We won't use and with plural nouns. So, a and an, they are used to give the meaning one. They have same meaning and they are used before singular nouns. When we want to talk about one particular thing, when we want to talk about one thing, we will use a and an. We won't use a and an with plurals like glasses, apples, etc. They are used only with singular nouns like glass, apple, etc. Though they have same meaning, they are used differently. Now let's see what is the difference. A is used before the words that start with a consonant sound and an is used before the words that start with a vowel sound. We know that in English we have vowels and consonants. Which are the vowels we have? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels that we have in English and all others are consonants. Vowel letters make vowel sounds, consonant letters make consonant sounds. But not always. There are exceptions. At times, consonant letters make vowel sounds and vowel letters make consonant sound. That are exceptions, but usually vowel letters make vowel sound and consonant letters make consonant sounds. And the point we have here is, if the word that we have begins with a consonant sound, we will use a, and if we have a word that begins with a vowel sound, we use an. We will use a with consonant sound and an with vowel sounds. If we go through the examples, it will be more clear for you. See here, we have a girl, a ball, a lion, a duck, a car. See here, all these are consonant letters and consonant sounds. The girl, ball, lion, duck, car. All these are consonant letters and consonant sounds. So we use a with all these words. And on the other hand, on the other side, we have vowel letters and vowel sounds like orange, apple, umbrella, ice cream, aeroplane. All these are vowel letters and vowel sounds. So we use an with all these words. An orange, an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream, an aeroplane. We won't say a orange. We won't say a apple because it is a vowel letter and vowel sound. So we will say an orange, an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream, an aeroplane. Here All these are consonant sounds and consonant letters. So we won't add and before them. We will add a before them. So a is used with consonant sounds and consonant letters, and an is used with vowel sounds. And let's take one word, honest. In this word honest, H is silent here. It is not honest, it is honest. So the word begins with the sound O, not H. The beginning sound is O, and O is a vowel sound. It begins with O sound, it is honest, and O is a vowel sound. So we will add an to this particular word. We can't add a because the beginning sound is O, not H. H is silent here. Why? Because I already mentioned sometimes the consonant letters make vowel sounds. Sometimes the vowel letters make consonant sounds. So we have to look for the consonant sounds and vowel sounds, not consonant letters and vowel letters. We have to look for the consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Again we have a similar word here, hour. It is not hour, it is hour. The beginning sound of the word is O, not H. It is silent here, it is hour. So the beginning sound of the word is O, and O is a vowel sound. So we will add an to this particular word. We won't add a because it begins with a vowel sound. And there are many other words like this. We have to look for the consonant or vowel sounds, then we have to add a or an before them. The next article we have here is the. It is a commonly or frequently used article, and it is used in different situations. Generally, there are two rules for using this article. The first one is the is used when same noun is used again. The is used when the same noun is used again. This is the first rule to use the article. When we are talking about the same thing again, we use the article the. When we are repeating the same name again, we will add the to point that we are talking about the same thing. We are talking about the particular thing we have mentioned before. Let's take an example. A flock of doves was searching for food. After flying a long distance, the doves were tired. See, this is the first sentence. A flock of doves was searching for food. Here we are talking about a flock of doves. And in the next sentence as well, we are talking about the same flock of doves. So that we can use the. And it will be like, after flying a long distance, the doves were tired. Here we are repeating the noun we have used in the first sentence. In the first sentence we talked about the noun doves. And in the second sentence as well, we are repeating the same noun doves. So we have to mention that, we have to point that we are talking about the same noun we mentioned in the first sentence. For the same purpose, we will add the. And the meaning of the sentences will be like this. A flock of doves was searching for food. After flying a long distance, the doves were tired. Means the doves who were flying in search of food got tired. The same doves who were searching for food got tired. That will be the meaning of these sentences. So when we are repeating the noun again, we will use the article the to give the meaning. We are talking about the same noun that we have mentioned before. Another example will be like this. I saw a girl at Anita's house. The girl was tall and fair. See, here again we are repeating the noun. In the first sentence we use the noun girl, and in the second sentence as well we are repeating the same noun. And hence the meaning will be like this. I saw a girl at Anita's house. The girl was tall and fair. That girl whom I saw at Anita's house was tall and fair. Not any other girl, but that particular girl whom I saw at Anita's house was tall and fair. So by adding the article the, we are giving the meaning that we are talking about the same noun. We are talking about the same girl whom we mentioned in the first sentence. Another example, she gave me some information, but the information was not very helpful. Again we are repeating the noun. First sentence we use the noun information. In the second sentence as well we are repeating the same noun, so we are using the. The meaning, she gave me some information, but the information, that particular information that was given by her was not very helpful. Not any other information, but that particular information that I got from her was not very helpful. So when we are repeating the same noun, we will add the article the to give the meaning. We are talking about the same noun. We are talking about the same thing that we have mentioned before. We are coming to the second rule of using the article the. The is used with the names of these places and things. The article the is used with the names of some places and things, and they are listed below. The is used with the names of mountain ranges. We will say the names of mountain ranges with the article the. Example, the Himalaya, the Alps. Then we will use the article the with the names of rivers, seas and oceans, like the Ganga, the Indian Ocean. So with the names of rivers, seas and oceans, we will use the article the. Then we will use the article the with the names of some countries. Example, the Philippines, the UAE. But we don't use the article the with all the country names, but with some country names, like the Philippines, the UAE. Then we will use the article the with the names of holy books. Example, the Bible, the Ramayana. Then again we will use the with the names of newspapers, like the Hindustan Times, the Hindu. These are the names of some newspapers. So with the names of newspapers we will add the article the. Then with the names of some famous buildings we will add the article the. Example, the Agra Fort, the Qutub Minar. Again we will add the article the with the things that are one of a kind, with the words that are one of a kind, which means one and only things in this universe, like the sun, the sky. There is no other suns, there is no other sky, it is only one. So we will use the article the with the one and only things in this universe, with the things that are one of a kind in this universe, like the sun, the sky.